Assalamu alaikum everyone. Now today's recipe, you might be thinking, I already know how to make a salad. I'm going to be honest, this recipe is mainly for me, and that's because whatever I do, whatever I try and do, I can never make a salad taste as good as my mum, so she recorded this for me to help me more than anyone. I don't know where I'm going wrong, but if you, like me, struggle making a Bengali style salad, let's take a look together at the ingredients. For today's recipe, my mum used green tomatoes from her allotment. We used half an onion, we used some salt, some coriander and 3 garlic cloves. She begins by roasting her garlic on a gas cooker. She leaves these here for a couple of minutes just until they turn brown and give a nice charred, smoky taste. Now what she's doing is she's slicing the tomatoes into small thin pieces. You can see here that all of the skins from the garlic have started to blister and burn off. Now we're going to grab our onion half, and again we're going to cut it into small thin slices. Now we can begin to combine parts of our salad together. Here we're adding the onions to the tomatoes, and in a moment we're going to add the coriander as well. Finally, you can see that the garlic is now charred and ready to be chopped off. Take a quick minute just to peel off any of the skins that might have been left over. And now we can start slicing those into small thin slices as well. We're now going to add that garlic into the salad. And lastly, we're adding about half a teaspoon of salt. And that's it. Once we've given it a big mix together to combine everything, that's our salad done. Again, this wasn't the most exciting recipe in the world, but it's one that's helped me, so I'm sure it will help someone else out there too. Thank you all for watching. If you've enjoyed, please remember to give us a like. Thank you.